What entails effective communication? Effective communication requires the ability to both speak clearly and listen actively. Learn how to convey your message effectively in different situations and how to be an active listener. Why are communication skills so important? The purpose of communication is to get your message across to others. This is a process that involves both the sender of the message and the receiver. The process leaves room for error, with messages often misinterpreted by one or more of the parties involved. This has the possibility of causing confusion and negative interaction. During communication, barriers can pop up at any stage of the communication process, which consists of the sender, the message, the channel, the receiver, the feedback, and the context within which the communication is being made, and have the potential to create misunderstandings and confusion. To understand the process of communication, let's consider this diagram. The sender. To establish yourself as an effective communicator, you must establish credibility. In your professional and or personal arena, this involves displaying knowledge of the subject, the audience, that is, individuals or groups to which you are delivering your message, audience, members in an organization, and the context in which the message is delivered. You must also know your audience. If you fail to understand your audience, you are communicating messages that will likely result in delivering messages that are misunderstood. Next, we consider the message itself. Written, oral, and non-verbal communications are affected by the sender's tone, method of organization, validity of the argument, what is communicated, and what is left out, as well as your individual style of communicating. Messages also have intellectual and emotional components, which intellect allows us the ability to reason, and emotion allowing us to present motivational appeals, ultimately changing minds and actions. Next, we shall consider the channel of communication. Messages are conveyed through channels with non-verbal and verbal social interactions. Next is the receiver. These messages are delivered to another party. No doubt you have in mind a desired action or reaction you hope your message prompts from the opposite party. Bear in mind, the other party also enters into the communication process with ideas and feelings that will undoubtedly influence their understanding of your message and their response. To be a successful communicator, you should consider these before delivering your message, then act appropriately. Feedback. The other party will provide you with feedback, verbal and non-verbal reactions to your communicated message. Pay close attention to this feedback, as it is crucial to ensuring the audience understood your message. The context. The situation in which your message is delivered is the context. This may include the surrounding environment or the broader culture, such as college culture, family culture, and organizational culture, among others. Communication happens within a specific context. In conclusion, to deliver your messages effectively, you must commit to breaking down the barriers that exist in each of these stages of the communication process. Let us begin with the message itself. If your message is too lengthy, disorganized, or contains errors, you can expect the message to be misunderstood and misinterpreted. The poor verbal and body language can also confuse the message. Barriers in context tend to stem from senders offering too much information and too fast.